In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started using a USB rubber ducky from the get-go. So if you don't know what USB rubber ducky is, basically it's a little USB device that acts like a keyboard. It is a really fast keyboard and can type faster than any human can. So you can do many things very quickly, and we'll go into a little bit more of that later. But for this example, we'll do a hello world program that goes to the terminal, opens it, and echoes hello world. So let me do a quick demonstration of what that looks like manually. So we'll open up Spotlight Search and let's see. Open up Spotlight Search, type in terminal, hit enter, terminal will pop up, we'll clear whatever appears, and then we'll type echo hello world, just like that, hit enter, and voila, there you go. But that takes some time for a human to do. So using a USB rubber ducky is going to be a lot more effective. So let me show you how to do that with code. So Hack5 are the makers of this, and you just go over to their Payload Studio. I'll leave these links in the description. But basically we get started by waiting for 2 seconds. Okay, this number is in milliseconds. The minimum you have to wait is 20 milliseconds every time you use a delay. But basically we're going to plug in the device and wait for 2 seconds. And the reason we do that is just so that the computer can recognize, hey, there's a new keyboard attached, which is really our rubber ducky. Okay, so then we're going to do Alt space. On my Mac, it's Alt space. For most Macs, it's actually Command space. So just replace Alt with Command like that. So that way it can open the Spotlight Search. Okay, we will wait for 100 milliseconds, and then we will type in terminal with string. Okay, so string, anything that comes after that, the keyboard is just going to type it. All right. Then we'll hit enter so we can open the terminal. We'll wait for the terminal to open with another delay, this time only 1 second, and then we'll clear whatever's in the terminal. If you noticed, mine has a bunch of random text, not sure why that is, but then we'll hit enter to clear that, and then we'll tell the terminal to print the message out by saying string so that the keyboard types echo hello world and then enter, and that should do the trick. So once you've typed all that into your Payload Studio, you're going to want to hit generate payload. My Payload Studio automatically downloads the file too, but if yours didn't download, just click the download button there. Cool, you should see it show up in your downloads folder. Okay, if you go over to your USB ducky, then you should already see an inject.bin file, but we're going to replace that. So go ahead and just move that into your ducky, replace the one that was there. Once that's done copying, we can just eject it. Once that's done, also I'm just going to delete this so that I don't get duplicates. All right, now unplug your ducky. Here's mine, and then just plug it back in. Let's see what happens. So it'll wait for 2 seconds, and just like that, you've got hello world. Now we have some other random stuff that happened there, and that'll happen occasionally if maybe you didn't wait long enough for something to occur, or maybe your code is incorrect, but it ended up printing out hello world. So I think we can call that a success. So if you need other references as you're getting started with the rubber ducky, then just go over to the quick references page on their website. I'll also leave this in the description. You can go through here and see how to do comments, kind of the basics of keystroke injection, cursor keys, things like that, other modifiers. They have a lot of really good examples in here that I would encourage everyone to look at. The next video I'll do is how to make the USB rubber ducky go to a text editor and type a picture of the Mona Lisa. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, or you like the video, feel free to comment down below, like it, and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thanks.